Yeah, I'm back at the car park, which is at the foot of Blaven. I was here back in February, just before I started the PCT, and went up there in the freaking snow. I got about 2/3 of the way up, and then it was just a really steep slope of ice, and I didn't have crampons, so I decided to turn back. But yeah, it's good to be back here. Very familiar ground, this, so yeah. Beautiful day. Welcome to Blaven, John Muir Trust. Take action for wild places. Keep Blaven special. There we are. Here's a good bit of map. So yesterday came down and took that alternate. Bad step. Boom. Parked myself at the beach. There's the closed shop, and then I came all the way down and I camped there, and now I've come all the way up and now I'm here. So now all that's left to do is around here, around this, and then back to Broadford. There we are. I didn't know the translation of Blaven is Blue Mountain. There are various possibilities as to the origins of its name, but there is no denying that Blaven, also known as Blaven, imposing beauty regarded by many as the finest hill in Scotland. And that's what it looked like when I first went up there, covered in snow. There's a toilet here, I wonder if it's open. Oh, it's open. I'm gonna have to have a go on that. I love this, look. Instead of 2 meters, it says keep your distance at least one white-tailed eagle apart. So that's it. I was thinking about going up Blaven, but it'll take an extra day, so I might save it for another time. The weather's meant to get a bit crap tomorrow, so I'm just gonna finish the trail with good weather and come back and do the Blue Mountain another day.
Travel far, now retreating. I've longed for this place for so long. Now I lay me down and be long. And I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my home, the blessed Midwest. I am torn, I am bleeding. Seen many souls, many holy. Remember their faces and hope. Oh, till we meet again. Oh, and I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my home, the blessed Midwest, the blessed Midwest.
It's the home stretch, last 5 miles. Oh, bog. Oh man, I'm so pooped. Getting up there from the beach was difficult, and it's so hot. And you know, when you're so close to the end, your mind really connects with your body and starts telling it to slow down. So I swear, if I had like another 100 miles to go, it wouldn't be like, I wouldn't be like, oh, tired. Oh, I've got another 100 miles, it's alright. But it's all in the mind. It's just steaming hot. Saw a dead sheep down there and it stank. I was like, what is that smell? And then I looked around and there's this dead sheep. It must have been there for a week or two. Covered in flies. Oh, it's disgusting. But I'm over that hump and I've got a bit of flat, then a bit of track, then some road, and I'm there. Oh, it's nice and flat now. Come on, Russell, push, push, push. So like 4 miles left. Got the red hills ahead of us, the sea behind me. It's a really bleak and dry end if you're going southbound. Really bleak. Hopefully get some signal soon. I've been out of touch for 24 hours. People back at home are probably thinking, shit, is he right? Haven't heard from him in a while. Look at that though. Ooh. Just keep on walking. That's all you gotta do, just walk more. Just walk more. Get to the top of here, you can see Blaven again. The Cullen and the Red Hills. Look at that. Cool. And you got this really nice kind of maintained path. Oh, it just reminds me of the PCT so much. Wow. And to think a few days ago I was right behind all that, and then pew, crazy. Go, right, so I'm going to pip down here, join the road, and that's the road into Broadford. Oh man. I think there's a can of John Smith's in the car, and I've been thinking about it for the last 6 hours. And then it dawned on me that it's been sat in the car in this heat all day. It's probably going to be warm. Oh, so close to the end. But it's been epic. Epic, epic, epic. Is there a beer in here? Oh, there is. Look at that. Yes. Oh. Oh man. Can't wait to crack this open.